Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the new traffic law that's coming into effect, and we're going to it's a lot the law it's a lot of different laws that are coming into effect. So we're going to talk about different laws in each video. So today we're going to talk about electronic tickets. So or electronic warrants and electronic tickets. So, as you know, and the government has passed some new traffic laws that are going to come into effect on February 1st of this year, 2023. So, one of the laws in that bill is that the government can now issue electronic warrants. Okay, so let's take a look at the article and then we discuss it after. The government is moving to introduce the use of electronic warrants which will be issued to motorists with outstanding tickets. Minister of Justice Honorable Delroy Chuck made a disclosure during his contribution to the debate on the Transport Authority Amendment Bill, which was passed in the House of Representatives on July 19. The legislation will help to bring into effect the new Traffic Act. Mr. Chuck noted that over the last 5 years, the police on average have issued more than 500,000 tickets per year. You have some indisciplined and lawless motorists who feel like these tickets can be ignored because more than half of them don't pay. They are collecting traffic tickets like confetti. The government needs to respond to ensure that when the police patrol the roads and issue tickets that they are complied with, because we need discipline and order on the roads, he said. Mr. Chuck informed that of the 500,000 tickets issued annually over the past 5 years, on average 282,000 of these end up in the court and fewer than 70,000 are actually paid. It means that over 210,000 tickets are not paid. Motorists don't turn up in the courts and it ends up as a burden on the courts because you have to issue warrants. Just consider having to write up 210,000 warrants. We see the problem, he said. The motorists who have not paid over the last 5 years and more, let it be noted, we have not given up. We are now not only looking at electronic ticketing, which has started in Kingston and St. Andrew. Mr. Chuck also noted that when the provisions of the new Traffic Act come into effect in a matter of weeks, it will make it compulsory for motorists who want to continue to drive to pay their tickets, or they won't be able to renew their driver's license. In fact, it is happening now. Persons who lose their driver's license and seek to renew it, they recognize that they have tickets to pay. Many of them run to the court, have the tickets relisted, pay the fine so that their license can be reissued, Mr. Chuck said. Meanwhile, Minister of Science, Energy and Technology, Honorable Darrell Vaz, said discussions have taken place regarding the funding that will be required for eGov Jamaica Limited to be able to put together the system needed. We had discussions and we will seek a way to find the funding to be able to start this process of connecting the court system with the police, with all the various government entities, Mr. Vaz said. The Transport Authority Amendment Act 2022 is crucial for the regulation and monitoring of public passenger transport throughout the island. It is also critical to the government's agenda of establishing and maintaining order and discipline in the transport sector. Alright, so that's the end of the article. So, this is very good news. This is something that the government needs because there is too much lawlessness on the roads. So, I really hope, it is going to be in effect. The government has started the e-ticketing and the e-warrant should start sometime this year because you can now do it because of the new laws, the new traffic laws that are coming. Though before, apparently they could not use the camera to issue a ticket, so the law had to be updated. That has been done, and now the law has been updated also to issue e-warrants. So this should definitely help. Definitely help. Alright guys, let us know what you think, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.